Hello everyone, my name is Vinod from AML department here to present the topic about future selection. So let's get into the content. So future selection is basically a function that is used to select the best feature that is required to train our model so that it can perform well in most cases. For example, suppose we want to create a model that automatically describe which car should be crashed. The role of feature selection in machine learning. The feature selection method is used to reduce the dimensionality of the feature space and increase the learning rate of an algorithm and improve the predictive accuracy of the classification algorithm and improve comprehensibility of the learning results. So here's a visual representation of how feature selection works. Here's the useful data and here's the outlier which should be removed so that the model can perform well. Feature selection. Feature selection is a process that chooses a subset of features from the original feature so that the feature space is optimally reduced according to a certain criterion. Just like we previously said, it is a function that remove unwanted data from the dataset so that it can optimally reduce the space occupied by that particular feature. And the feature selection is a critical step in the feature construction process. Yeah, it is also a critical step which helps in building the model. And here are the three general classes of feature selection algorithm. Here's a filter method, wrap method, and embedded method. So how feature selection technically works is original data. If after the feature selection techniques, the size of the dimension of the data will be reduced drastically. This will help in the optimal reduction of feature space. Here is a feature selection technique. Feature selection technique consists of two major divides known as supervised feature selection and unsupervised feature selection. In that supervised feature selection, there are three more drop downs. It's a filters method, embedded method, and wrap method. Filter method contains missing values, information gain, chi-square test, feature score, and the embedded method contains regularization L1 and L2, random forest importance, and the wraps method consists of forward feature selection, backward feature selection, exhaustive feature selection, and recursive feature elimination. Filter method. These are generally used while doing a pre-processing step, more likely removing unwanted data such as null values, repeated values, etc. These methods select features from the dataset just the use of any machine learning algorithm. Without any machine learning algorithm usage, this method extract the features from the dataset. In terms of computation, they are very fast and inexpensive and are very good for removing duplicates, correlated, redundant features. Yeah, just like I previously said, they are used to remove duplicates, correlated data, and redundant features. And more importantly, they are very fast and inexpensive, computationally expensive, less feature. Selection of features is evaluated individually, which can sometimes help with feature or in isolation, don't have a dependency on other features, but will lag when a combination of features are lead to increase in the overall performance of the model. So here's a flowchart, set all features, selecting the best subset, learning algorithm and performance. Information gain. It is defined as the amount of information provided by a feature for identifying the target values. Yeah, the model should gain required information so that this will be work, and the chi-square method is used to test the relationship between categorical values and the feature score selects each fish independently according to the score and the feature criterion, leading to a suboptimal set of features. Wrap method is also referred as the algorithm that trains the subset of features in an iterative manner, like each step at once, each step and every step. Based on the conclusion made from the training in prior to the model, addition and removal of features take place. So how it's remove or add features to the model based on how the model works. Main advantage of wrap method over the filter method is that they provide an optimal set of features for training the model, thus resulting in better accuracy than the filter method but are computationally more expensive. Yeah, that flow in this in filter method the flow will goes on. There is no loop in it. While the wrap method it will go on in a repeated manner until the optimal subset is formed. Forward selection, backward elimination, excessive selection are important wrap methods. Embedded method. Embedded method is also similar to wrap method, but the embedded method combines the advantage of both filter and wrap method by considering the interaction of features along with low computational costs. They are fast processing methods similar to filter method but more accurate than the filter method. Yeah. Feature selection is a technique. Find a smaller subset of many dimensional data set to create data model. Yeah, feature selection means we are selecting a part of a data set to create a model so that it can perform well. The complexity depends on size of data sample n, number of input dimensions k, and selected dimension k. It is a technique of finding k features of the d dimension that gives us the most information and discard the other. It only fetch the required information and leave the rest of them so that it can perform well. The feature selecting models. Thank you.